Hey everyone, and welcome. Aren't you tired of feeling like you're wasting your time? Do you have big dreams but never seem to make any progress? You're not alone. So many of us feel stuck in a rut, but it doesn't have to be that way. In this video, I'm going to share a powerful framework for transforming your life in just 90 days. That's right, 3 months. It's not magic, it's about focused action and consistent effort. Are you ready to stop wasting time and start living the life you deserve? Let's dive in. 90 days is the perfect time frame for creating real change. It's long enough to make significant progress, but short enough to maintain focus and motivation. It's a manageable chunk of time that allows you to break down big goals into smaller, more achievable steps. Think of it as a mini life cycle. It's a chance to experiment, learn, and grow without feeling overwhelmed by an endless timeline. The biggest mistake people make is trying to do too much at once. You end up spreading your energy thin and achieving very little. The key to a successful 90-day transformation is to identify your one thing. What's the single most important goal you want to achieve in the next 3 months? What will have the biggest impact on your life? Get crystal clear on your one thing and focus all your energy on it. This laser focus is crucial for making real progress. Once you've defined your one thing, break it down into smaller, more manageable steps. What can you do each day or each week to move closer to your goal? Don't try to do everything at once. Focus on taking consistent action, even if it's just a small step each day. These small steps will compound over time and lead to big results. Think of it like building a house, brick by brick. Each brick may seem insignificant on its own, but together they create a solid foundation. If you don't schedule your one thing, it's not going to happen. Treat it like an important appointment that you can't miss. Block out time in your calendar specifically for working on your goal. Prioritize it over everything else. This is non-negotiable. If you're serious about changing your life, you need to make time for it. Tracking your progress is essential for staying motivated. Seeing how far you've come is incredibly encouraging and will keep you going even when things get tough. Use a habit tracker, a spreadsheet, or a journal to monitor your progress. Celebrate your wins, no matter how small. This will reinforce positive behavior and keep you on track. Life happens. Things don't always go according to plan. That's why it's important to regularly review your progress and adjust your plans as needed. Are your strategies working? Do you need to tweak your approach? Be flexible and willing to adapt. The key is to keep moving forward, even if you have to change direction slightly. So, there you have it, a powerful framework for transforming your life in 90 days. It's not easy, but it's definitely possible. The key is to focus on your one thing, break it down into small steps, schedule it in, track your progress, and be willing to review and adjust. Your 90 days starts now. What are you waiting for? Let me know in the comments what you're going to achieve in the next 3 months, and let's support each other. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on productivity, personal development, and achieving your goals. Thanks for watching.